We start at Prague and arrive to our accommodation at 16 p.m. After we unpacked, we explored where we were staying and went to relax on the beach. Later in the evening we went to explore Downtown and drink some Aqua de Valencia.
Okay.
The first thing we wanted to see was the City of Arts and Sciences, which we walked for about 40 minutes. The City of Arts and Sciences consists of the Opera House, an IMAX Cinema Planetarium, an interactive science museum, gardens and promenade, and multifunctional building, and finally the best, at least for us, the Oceanographic Museum, the largest aquarium in Europe. Our next stop was Valencia's Old Town, where we headed into the church of San Nicolás. It's often called the Sistine Chapel of Valencia because of its incredible 17th century Baroque frescoes covering the entire sign. These shots are from Valencia Cathedral, famous for its mix of Gothic, Romanesque and Baroque styles. One of its chapels even houses the Holy Grail, which many believe to be the cup used at the Last Supper. In Valencia, the old Turia riverbed was transformed into a huge green park after the river was diverted. Today it's 9-kilometer stretch of gardens, bike paths and playgrounds that connects the Biopark Zoo on one end with the City of Arts and Sciences on the other. The next day we took a bus to the Coves of San Joseph. Located just 50 kilometers from Valencia, these caves are home to the longest navigable underground river in Europe. Over 3 kilometers long, of which 800 meters are open to visitors. People left paintings here 15,000 years ago, and today the caves even host concerts in their natural acoustics. The entrance fee was 10 euros per adult, and we had to book online a few days in advance. After our cave adventure, we couldn't wait to see how the City of Arts and Sciences would look at night.